Hi guys, Mr. Lee's here doing the National 5 Mathematics paper from 2024, and this is paper 1 and it's the last one, question 14, where you're given a diagram where you have ABC and ADE are mathematically similar, which means that this one here is an enlargement of this smaller one here, and you're given various measurements, B to C being 3, D to E being 7, and A to D being 10.5, and they want you to get the length of B to D. So what I always do is I'm going to, if you like, cut this out and stick it there, and just write that one, cut that one out and stick it over to the right. So here we have it here, if I just switch diagrams, so there's A, B to C, and the only line that we know there is BC, so that is 3. Then if we go to the larger one, we have A to D, which I've just cut there. We know that that's 10.5. We know that D to E is 7. So there's our two numbers there. So when we're talking similarity, we need to get the scale factor. And I always use the larger number over the smaller number. So the scale factor is 7/3. That means that everything in the large triangle is 7/3 times everything in the small triangle. So there we have it there. That means that 10.5 is 7/3 times whatever AB is. So 10.5 is 7/3 times AB. So let's do a little bit of changing the subject here. So we do 3 times 10.5 over 7. So the 3 goes up there and the 7 goes down there. So AB is 3 times 10.5 over 7. So there we have it there. Let's have a wee go. 3 times 10.5 is 31.5. 3 tens are 30. 3 times a half is 1.5. So that's 31.5 over 7. And there we have it over there as a wee chimney sum there. And that gives you A to B being 4.5. So we now know that this one here, A to B, is 4.5. And A to D is 10.5. So a little subtraction there will get BD. So BD is 10.5, take away the 4.5, which gives you 6. And that's the sum done.